Hey guys, this is Donna, and in this video tutorial, I will show you how to remove watermark in Kinemaster right after this short intro. So, first, open your Google Chrome browser. On the search bar, type digit bin. Then, just click the first link. Now, tap the search icon and type Kinemaster Pro fully unlocked. Then, just click the first one. Then, scroll down and tap the Go to Download page link. Scroll down again up until you see the download buttons. You may choose any among these versions by clicking the respective download button. Once your download is completed, click it and install. If you see a security message like this, tap Settings. This app is safe to install, so turn on Allow App Installs by tapping the button next to it. Now, click the back arrow to go back to the install page. Lastly, click Install and wait until completed. If ever you are one of those who encounter an error message that says App not installed, that means you need to temporarily change a few settings on your phone. I made a special video tutorial for that. Check the description box below and click the link.
Or surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii.